continuing on with the steam engine, I'm going to make a cylinder and piston. I've got this 1 inch by 1 inch aluminium, and I'm going to drill a hole in there, see what happens there. The other idea was to have this one here, which is a right size hole, but and then just put a plate and braze it on there. But I'm not 100% sure about this, how it will work. I'm not sure how to bore it out properly, so I'm going to leave this one for a future project. Here we go. So guys, I've marked this up. I made measurement from there to there, about 20 mil, and left that bit there. So I'm putting a hole bit this way, center of that, the hole. So I'm going to drill a hole, approximately 1/2 inch or a little bit over 1/2 inch. Okay guys, progressively I've used different drills and I come up to the 1/2 inch drill now. I'm going to try and drill with a 1/2 inch this time, see how it goes. Okay guys, so this is it. I've drilled a 1/2 inch hole there. I don't think I want to go a bigger piston than that. I could do, but I don't want to. I think that'll be alright. I think I chose too large a block, but we're going to leave it this time. Next thing I'm going to do, I'm going to drill the 2 holes that go there. One for the inlet, and the other one to hold it pivoted. Now, you see this? I don't have to make a cap. That's what I wanted to do. So I don't have to do anything this side. Just drill a hole this way and do it that way. Now I don't know how smooth that is, but it does look smooth. But I think we'll get away with it. So guys, I marked where it's supposed to go. I measured from inside how far it is, and I think this is a safe place to put a hole there. So mark from there, that hole to that one, 12 millimeters there. So that's the marking there. So I'm going to drill a hole to put the 4 M tap in there, and this one 2 millimeter. See how that goes. So I'm going to drill this one first, which is 3.2 something drill bit, so I can get M4 tap into there. And I'm not going to go, obviously I'm not going to go right down, so that's why there's more gap on this side. So I've adjusted that too accordingly. This one is 2 millimeter. It's going to go right through. guys, I'm going to make piston, and this one just needs turning around slightly. I don't know if I'll be good enough to make piston out of that, but I'm going to try that. If not, I'll stick a rod of brass. I tried to make a piston, but I found that the lathe didn't cut smoothly right through. It was larger at one end and it was narrower at the other end, so I'm not sure how I was going to fix this. I wasted a lot of time trying to make this piston, so I think I'll make the piston in the next video now. Okay guys, I've run out of time, so I'm going to leave it there. So I made the piston, I made the cylinder, should I say, and I'll make the piston next time. I'm going to leave it there for now because I'll have to drill the holes out. Everything should be alright, smooth, nice, clean. Alright, thanks for watching. Subscribe, thumbs up.